hate Hillstarts. I'm so worried about rolling back or stalling and then failing my test. What about all the cars behind me if I'm moving off in traffic? What if I roll back and hit one of them?
Does this sound like you? If it does, don't worry, I'm here to help. My name's Lisa, I'm a driving instructor from the East Midlands, and I've got some advice for you that will hopefully help fix this problem and help you be confident every time you move off on a hill. Okay, so let's break it down. First of all, you've got the handbrake, and the handbrake is what secures the car to stop it rolling back. The handbrake grips the back wheels, and that prevents the wheels from moving and therefore holds the car on the hill. Okay, so if we release that handbrake, what's going to happen? Well, the car's going to start to roll backwards down the hill, and that's not what we want. We want to avoid that. So, what next? Okay, so next, what makes the car go forwards? So, in a manual car, you've got the clutch, the brake, and the accelerator pedals. Once you select clutch down and first gear, what makes the car go forwards? Is it the gas or is it the clutch? Well, we need to set the gas to give the car enough energy to be able to push the car up the hill. With the engine just taking over on its own, it's not going to have enough energy to make the car move. With the weight of the car, natural gravity is going to pull it backwards when we release the handbrake. So we do need to do what we call setting the gas, squeezing the pedal to the thickness of a pound coin to give enough fuel to provide enough energy to move the car forwards. But that's not what makes the car move. What actually makes the car move is lifting the clutch gently to the bite point and connecting the gear plate with the engine plate, the two friction plates. They need to engage together in order to make the car move forwards. Are you still following? So just to recap, the handbrake is what will allow the car to be able to move when we release it. The clutch is what makes the car move once we're on the bite point and we've set some gas, which provides the energy to help us move. Okay, this is the bit that most people get wrong. Remember, we can't release the handbrake yet because the car will roll back down the hill. So it's important that we lift the clutch to the lower bite point, not right on it so it's moving, because we don't want to make the car move while the handbrake is on. But we want to be just the lower point of the bite, and we want to have set the gas. We want to set the gas to at least the thickness of a pound coin, or maybe stack another pound coin on if it's a steep hill. So £2 worth of gas and finding the lower bite. You'll know when the car is going to move forwards because the bonnet starts to lift. You'll feel the car wanting to move. This is the point where the handbrake must come off. If you don't release that handbrake, what will happen is the car will want to move forwards, but the handbrake is holding it back. What happens is the car gets confused, it doesn't know whether to go or stop, it can't do both.